Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the world of cryptocurrency and bring you the latest news and trends. We've got some explosive news for you today, folks. President Trump has just dropped a bombshell on Wall Street, saying, "He who has the gold makes the rules." Sounds familiar, right? Well, it's no surprise that this statement reignited attention to two of the hottest assets around, gold and Bitcoin. Gold is surging to record highs, hitting $3,385, a gain of nearly 2% in just 24 hours. And Bitcoin's on fire too, rising about 3% to $87,500. But what's behind this sudden rally? Analysts say it's not just Trump's statement that's causing the excitement. The real momentum comes from ongoing US-China tensions and growing economic uncertainty. The Kobisi letter has commented that a synchronized rally of gold and Bitcoin signals a growing consensus among investors that uncertainty is building, and the US dollar may be headed lower. In fact, the US dollar index just plummeted to a 3-year low in early Asian trading on Monday. Zero Hedge reports that this sharp decline was driven by mounting market fears, following comments from National Economic Council Director Kevin Hassett, who indicated that President Trump is still considering ways to remove Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. Now, you might expect Bitcoin's price to fall when the dollar weakens, but not this time. Historically, when the dollar drops, Bitcoin's price tends to fall too. But in this case, it's soaring $1,000 higher to reach an all-time high of $87,750. This is what analysts are calling a regime shift. So, what does this mean for Bitcoin? Market observers suggest that its evolving role as a store of value could be signaling a separation from tech sector volatility. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's still early days. Franklin Templeton Digital Assets recently reported that Bitcoin shows a stronger correlation with tech stocks rather than gold, which could indicate a more traditional safe haven asset. However, data over the past 3 years shows a correlation coefficient with gold rarely exceeding 0.3, indicating that these two assets typically move independently of each other. In conclusion, on today's Bitcoin Bulletin, we've seen how President Trump's statement has reignited attention to gold and Bitcoin, and how these two assets are now surging in tandem. With ongoing US-China tensions and growing economic uncertainty, it's clear that investors are looking for safe haven investments. But will Bitcoin continue to defy expectations and rise above the noise? Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.